AI can scale your brand fast, but one wrong move can destroy trust just as quickly. First mistake, using AI without human review. AI chatbots can give wrong answers, outdated information, or even offensive replies. Customers do not blame the AI, they blame your brand. Second, generic copy-paste AI content. When every post sounds the same, audiences feel it is fake, lazy, and soulless. Trust drops when your brand loses its human voice. Third, ignoring data privacy. Using AI tools without protecting customer data can lead to leaks and legal trouble. And once trust is broken, it is hard to rebuild. Fourth, hiding behind AI. Customers still want humans for serious issues. No human backup means frustration and lost loyalty. Smart brands do not replace humans with AI. They support humans with AI because trust is built by people, not algorithms.